Apple's plan to integrate OLED technology into the MacBook Air is set to redefine the laptop experience. It promises enhanced display quality and, of course, improved functionality, but might even take longer. Apple having the timeline for this highly anticipated upgrade extends further into the future than many had hoped and likely to debut before 2028 or 2029, since Apple prioritizes introducing OLED display for its premium MacBook Pro lineup first, as expected as early as 2026 or 2027. Though Apple already expanded OLED displays across several product categories, including iPhones, Apple Watch models, and the 11-inch and 13-inch iPad Pro tablets introduced in 2024. Let's understand more about OLED, or organic light emitting diode. This is a display technology where each individual pixel produces its own light when electricity current is applied, allowing them to turn off completely. And it also creates pure contrast with true blacks, has faster response time, and more amazingly vibrant colors compared to traditional backlit. And of course, this is often used in thinner, flexible, or even rollable screens. MacBook Air being a more budget-friendly option will follow several years later, but for now, we'll continue to rely on its existing LCD display technology, making sure it remains an affordable choice for a wide range of users, since Apple will need to address the complexities of LED technology production and, of course, to reduce costs before introducing the technology into its mainstream lineup. So Apple decides to focus on the MacBook Pro first for purposes of refining OLED technology in its premium models, making sure that any potential issues are resolved before bringing it to the MacBook Air. This strategy not only safeguards the quality of the product, but also aligns with Apple's commitment to deliver a super polished user experience. High production costs of OLED panels is what drives this strategic delay, and not forgetting the technical challenges involved in perfecting the technology, enabling Apple to easily build on a specific timeline to manage challenges and deliver potential features in this future device. Delay in bringing OLED displays to the MacBook Air stems from the technical and financial challenges associated with manufacturing large OLED panels. And Apple is committed to maintaining its reputation for quality and reliability, and this will require overcoming several hurdles. Burn-in prevention, where OLED panels are susceptible to burn-in, a phenomenon where static images can easily leave permanent marks on the screen over time. Power efficiency by optimizing OLED displays to conserve battery life is critical for portable devices like MacBook Air, and of course not forgetting durability by making sure that OLED panels deliver consistent performance over years of use, which is a major focus for Apple. So Apple looks at addressing these challenges in MacBook Pro lineup first, thus aiming at perfecting the technology before introducing it to the MacBook Air and other products, which is a great approach to ensure that the eventual OLED MacBook Air meets high standards expected by Apple's customers. Remember, producing large OLED panels with consistent brightness and long-time reliability requires advanced manufacturing techniques that still carry significantly higher costs than the LCD display currently used in MacBook Air models. Guess what? OLED technology will bring a lot of benefits that significantly enhance MacBook Air's user experiences. OLED panels are well known for their superior display quality. OLED display will offer true blacks and enhanced contrast, since OLED displays can turn off individual pixels, creating deep blacks and striking contrast ratios, which is amazing. Vibrant color accuracy, which is a great idea for professionals working in fields like photo editing, video production, and graphic design. Improved viewing angles, thus ensuring consistent image quality, even when viewed from the side. And one of the best benefits, of course, being potential power efficiency, since OLED panels can consume less power during certain tasks, thus potentially extending battery life. Such benefits will automatically appeal to a broader range of users. We are talking about casual customers seeking a better experience to professionals who rely on accurate color production for their work. Not forgetting that it will eventually attract a large migration of Windows laptop users. The adoption of OLED technology will eventually pave the way for thinner and lighter MacBook Air compared to traditional LCD panels, because OLED displays do not require backlighting, which reduces the overall thickness of the screen. This could result in thinner, slicker, and more portable designs that align with MacBook Air's reputation for being lightweight and travel-friendly. It is also rumored that Apple could eventually consider introducing touchscreen functionalities in the MacBook Air, though this feature is more likely to first debut in the MacBook Pro, which later could trickle down to MacBook Air. This will be a better option for users accustomed to touch-enabled devices, and particularly those transitioning from Windows laptops, which in addition could also align with broader market trends, making the MacBook Air more competitive in the entire laptop market. Will this affect the prices? Of course it will. The introduction of OLED technology in MacBook Air is expected to increase its base price too, since OLED panels are expensive to produce compared to LCD panels. Apple's pricing strategy suggests that starting price of the OLED MacBook Air could rise to $1199 or $1299, and this may place the device out of reach for some budget-conscious customers, since the current MacBook Air models will remain the cost-efficient alternatives. The higher price will likely be justified by the significant improvements in the display quality and potential new features for those willing to invest in the OLED MacBook Air. However, Apple's strategy ensures that its existing lineup continues to cater for a diverse range of users too. By introducing new technologies in its premium products first, Apple will ensure that early adopters help fund the development and refinement process. And that is a great adoption strategy by Apple, because over time, as production becomes more efficient, costs decrease. Actually, the methodical rollout strategy allows Apple to maintain its reputation of delivering high quality and reliable products, and it also ensures that when the OLED technology finally arrives in the MacBook Air, it will be a well-refined and polished feature that meets the expectations of Apple's customer base. I personally believe that this MacBook Air will be a game changer in the laptop market. And despite that progress, scaling OLED technology in laptop-sized displays remained considerably more complex than implementing it in small devices, largely due to manufacturing costs, durability concerns, and brightness management. So how do you expect this to affect the entire laptop market? Adding OLED displays and potential touchscreen functionality in the thinner and lighter MacBook Air could significantly impact the broader laptop market, because these advanced features would make the MacBook Air more competitive, and particularly among Windows users who are accustomed to touch-enabled devices. Improved display quality will also appeal to professionals and creatives who require accurate color production and high contrast for their work. Apple will therefore solidify its position as a leader in technology and design by enhancing the MacBook Air's features. The OLED MacBook Air will not only attract new customers but also encourage existing customers to upgrade, driving continued growth in Apple's laptop lineup. If you like this review, remember to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe for more tech review content. And don't forget to hit the notification bell button to stay updated. And please try any of these videos here. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.